Present continuous tense. Affirmative. I am going. म जाँदैछु. We are going. हामी जाँदैछौँ. You are going. तिमी जाँदैछौ. You are going. तिमीहरू जाँदैछौ. He is going. ऊ जाँदैछ. She is going. ऊ जाँदैछ. They are going. तिनीहरू जाँदैछन्. Negative. I am not going. म जाँदै छैन. We are not going. हामी जाँदै छैनौँ. You are not going. तिमी जाँदै छैनौ. You are not going. तिमीहरू जाँदै छैन. He is not going. ऊ जाँदै छैन. She is not going. ऊ जाँदै छैन. They are not going. तिनीहरू जाँदै छैनन्. Interrogative. Am I going? के म जाँदैछु. Are we going? के हामी जाँदैछौ. Are you going? के तिमी जाँदैछौ. Are you going? के तिमीहरू जाँदैछौ. Is he going? के ऊ जाँदैछ. Is she going? के ऊ जाँदैछ. Are they going? के तिमी जाँदैछन्. Interrogative. Negative. Am I not going? के म जाँदै छैन. Are we not going? के हामी जाँदै छैनौ. Are we not going? के तिमी जाँदै छैनौ. Are you not going? के तिमीहरू जाँदै छैनौ. Is he not going? के ऊ जाँदै छैन. Is he not going? के ऊ जाँदै छैन. Are they going? के तिनीहरू जाँदै छैनन्. Present perfect tense. Affirmative. I have gone. म गएको छु. We have gone. हामी गएका छौँ. You have gone. तिमी गएका छौ. You have gone. तिमीहरू गएका छौ. He has gone. ऊ गएको छ. She has gone. ऊ गएकी छे. They have gone. तिनीहरू गएका छन्. Negative. I have not gone. म गएको छैन. We have not gone. हामी गएका छैनौँ. You have not gone. तिमी गएका छैनौ. You have not gone. तिमीहरू गएका छैनौ. She has not gone. ऊ गएकी छैन. She has not gone. ऊ गएको छैन. They have not gone. तिनीहरू गएका छैनन्. Interrogative. Have I gone? के म गएको छु. Have we go? के हामी गएका छौँ. Have you gone? के तिमी गएका छौ. Have you gone? के तिमीहरू गएका छौ. Has she gone? के ऊ गएकी छे. Has he gone? के ऊ गएको छ. Have they gone? के तिनीहरू गएका छन्. Interrogative. Negative. Have I not gone? के म गएको छैन. Have we not gone? के हामी गएको छैनौँ. Have you not gone? के तिमी गएका छैनौ. Have you not gone? के तिमीहरू गएका छैनौ. Has she not gone? के ऊ गएकी छैन. Has not he not gone? के ऊ गएको छैन. Have they not gone? के तिनीहरू गएका छैनन्.
Thank you for watching. Also please subscribe to see more.